Ever felt overwhelmed with managing your Google ads? It's a common feeling, one that many business owners can identify with. Google Ads is a powerful tool, but it's not always the easiest to navigate. You're not alone if you've found yourself sinking too much time and money into it, only to be left questioning the return on your investment. The struggle is real in this competitive digital landscape. You're up against countless others, all vying for that coveted top spot in search results. It's like trying to be heard in a room full of chattering voices, all louder than your own. And despite your best efforts, the results don't always match the effort you've put in. Yet the potential of Google Ads is undeniable. It's a gateway to business growth, a key to unlocking vast online opportunities. And it's this importance, this potential, that makes the struggles all the more frustrating. But what if we told you there's a way to turn these struggles into success? Consider this: a local business owner was facing the same challenges. Then they discovered high-priority marketing. They were a small cafe struggling to attract new customers in a bustling city. High-priority marketing took the reins, managing their Google Ads with a level of expertise that was a game changer. First off, they identified targeted keywords that potential customers were using, words like cozy cafe, best coffee in town, homemade pastries. They knew how to find the keywords that would attract the right crowd. Next, they optimized the ad copy. They didn't just throw in a bunch of buzzwords. No, they crafted compelling, enticing copy that spoke directly to the coffee lovers, the pastry enthusiasts, the people looking for a cozy corner to relax. And then came the strategic bidding. High-priority marketing knows that the Google Ads space is a competitive arena. So, they used their expertise to bid strategically, ensuring the cafe's ads were seen by the right people at the right time. The results? A significant increase in website traffic, a surge in leads, and a marked rise in sales. The cafe was buzzing, filled with new customers who discovered them through their Google Ads. And the best part? The business owner could focus on what they do best, running their business. Now imagine what high-priority marketing could do for your business. Just picture the time and money you could save, the boost in visibility your brand could experience, the surge in sales you could achieve, all thanks to expert Google Ads management. And the beauty of it? High-priority marketing caters to businesses of all shapes and sizes, across a myriad of industries. Don't wait for success to come to you. Reach out to high-priority marketing and seize your success today.